Well, I'll take
Hi, my name is Rachel. We're at the Great Wall of China, and you're watching Chubby Diaries.
What's up, beautiful people? I'm here at the Great Wall of China, getting ready to climb up here. So I gotta pace myself, and I'm ready to go. Let's try this out. So I'm not even that far in. Like, we just right here, and I'm already tired. I'm so sorry. We got it. Y'all, this is a lot. So I actually thought I made it to the top, but no, there's like 3 more to go. So this might be it for my journey today. But no, like literally it was a lot. I told myself, let me just pace it. That's how we'll do it. Get my body through that shock that initially needed to go through. But I made it up further than most people, so I'm happy about that. Alright, so I'm gonna make my descent back down because I'm done. I got to climb the Great Wall. Next time you come, also know that there are sections to this where you actually can take a gondola or a cart up, which takes like 40 minutes. But this section does not have that, which is okay with me. I did what I could, and I'm done for today. But I got to climb the Great Wall of China. That's all I can say.
I am Rachel from Austin, Texas. We are at the Great Wall in China. I had quite the experience. I did not realize I would be climbing approximately 5 million sets of stairs, but I'm glad I did it, and I would never do it again. What I would recommend is A, take the ski lift, don't take the stairs. But B, if you're determined to take the stairs, you gotta train ahead of time. I came into this with nothing, and it was bad news. So you gotta build up endurance first.